I love to drink apple cider during the winter holidays. But which of these two glasses would be easier to pick up? The one on the left. Don't you agree? Why? Because the other one is too full. There's just too much, so it's not easy to handle. Here's something else I love about the December holidays. Candy canes. I like to put them on the tree. Now, which picture shows a better decorating job? I hope you agree it's this one on the right. Do you know why? Because less is more. Whether we're talking about candy canes on a tree or prepositions in a sentence, sometimes you can have too much of something. Learn English prepositions with Jennifer. Topic: Using prepositional phrases. Part 2.
Understanding how prepositions work in a sentence helps you build clear, concise sentences. Concise means using few words. The idea is not to use words you don't really need. Otherwise, it becomes confusing for your listener or your reader. Here are 3 tips on being concise.
First, sometimes you can replace longer clauses with shorter prepositional phrases. Look at this example. Sarah is the woman who is wearing the lovely green dress. Could we change this adjective clause to a prepositional phrase? Sure. Let's use in. Sarah is the woman in the lovely green dress. How about this sentence? I like ornaments that have different colors. If we remove these 2 words, what one preposition can we use? With. I like ornaments with different colors. Here's the second tip. You can replace wordy prepositional phrases with shorter structures. Let's consider phrases with of. Of can show possession, so the role of the host could be the host's role. How about this one? There is a tradition of kissing at midnight on New Year's Eve. What would you do to shorten this? Let's remove a number of words and just use the gerund, kissing. Kissing at midnight. Now, we can make New Year's Eve a modifier. It can describe tradition. So, kissing at midnight is a New Year's Eve tradition. Some prepositional phrases of time can be shortened. For example, at the party on New Year's Eve can simply be at the New Year's Eve party. We made New Year's Eve a modifier. At the present time can be replaced with single words. Now, presently, currently. And instead of at all times, we can simply say always. When possible, use noun modifiers and avoid prepositional phrases. Decorations for the party are really just party decorations. And a bowl with fruit is really a fruit bowl. Single word adverbs are also a good alternative to longer prepositional phrases. For example, he looked at me in an odd way. We could just say, he looked at me oddly. She talked with great excitement. She talked excitedly. Third tip. Too much of anything is no good, so don't overuse prepositional phrases in a sentence. Having two together is okay. Three may be possible, but that's already getting wordy. So try to avoid using too many prepositions. And in general, use words that are clear and necessary. Look at these examples. I need to talk to you after class about the party. That's not too bad, but there are alternatives. You could say, can we talk after class about the party? In many families in the U.S., there's a tradition of being in the company of loved ones on New Year's Eve. First of all, we have three uses of in. Then we have of 2 times, as well as on. Having 2 or more of the same preposition in a sentence can really sound wordy. How would you rewrite this sentence to make it more concise? Here are 2 suggestions. In the U.S., many families gather and celebrate New Year's Eve. Many American families have the tradition of gathering on New Year's Eve.
Let's try an exercise. I'll show you a wordy sentence. You think of a way to make it more concise.
In this exercise, I'll show you 5 sentences. Again, you need to rewrite each one to make it more concise. 1. The topic of my essay will be celebrations of the New Year around the world. 'My suggestion: my essay will explore New Year's celebrations around the world. 2. The necklace that my husband gave to me has freshwater pearls. 'Instead, we could say, my husband gave me a necklace of freshwater pearls. Or even, my husband gave me a freshwater pearl necklace. 3. In some cultures, children receive a gift of money from their parents on New Year's Day. How about this? In some cultures, children receive a New Year's Day gift of money. 4. The invitations for the holiday party at school were sent by email to all the students over a week ago. We might shorten that to, the school emailed all students a holiday party invitation over a week ago. 5. One of the students in my class made a request for food without nuts. A more concise sentence would be, a classmate requested nut-free food.
That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the holidays and all the celebrations. Happy studies!